Hi shooters, we are at 500 yards Alexandra, second relay of the day, and I'm with Tyler Nichols on the left, me in the middle, and Tyler Doyle on the right. They're both shooting F-class, and I'm shooting some virgin brass, getting ready for the Atlantics in September 5th. Actually, I got a new camera. I'm gonna try it. It's kind of pointed at the flags, so I can get a better view of the flags.
Just let me know when you're ready there, Chris, and I'll send one.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll just make sure I can see my spotting scope, and then we're good to go.
Yep.
Do you guys have the target on your...
What was it?
Yep.
Okay. Perfect.
Going, Jocelyn? Yeah, I'm gonna see if I need to create or something gonna go up. There he is.
Yes.
Great.
Good to go?
Good to go.
Yeah.
Got a wind now, eh?
Looks like a little bit, yeah. Let's see the mirage. Yeah, there is some. I'm gonna put some on. I'm gonna put half a minute. We got 3/4 right.
Oh my god. Oh, you're so clean.
Look at that.
You're so clean. That's not gonna work. Go ahead.
Let me fire one shot.
That's really low. Fuck, I don't know what happened there.
Torque everything down?
Yep.
Loctite?
I want to say yes.
Jesus.
No, she's pretty strong, eh?
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
And I put some.
I left 0 wind on mine.
That's what I planned on doing till I just...
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Oh.
What did you put on, a half?
I put 3/4 the other way, this way. It still will be a 4.
That explains my 0 earlier.
So I got 1.5 right now.
Mike? 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 You're down, let me know. I fire something. No rush.
I guess the wind, it's really windy now. All the flags are up.
Somebody has a mine, the correct size fucking broke earlier.
Got 2 3/4 on.
I'll convert one.
Don't be. Oh yeah, that's different. Well, you're actually using mag on the roof too. Oh yeah.
two and a half on.
Forward bypass. There you go, Ken. Last now.
All set. Nice shot.
There you go.
Put it in there when it counts.
That's right. 2 1/4 we should be at.
Nobody said anything about it.
2 1/2. Leave it there.
I've got no mirage.
It's the shadow, eh?
Yeah.
Once it leaves, it's gonna come back.
Well, I think my shooting might be over.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Unless somebody has a bit for me, then I can't. Is that an Allen key you're looking for? No, it's the star one. I have it.
Nice shot, Tyler.
Thank you.
He's shooting. Now that's
He probably does have one.
my guess is yeah.
Good. I messed that one up. I shot by accident.
We're lucky I did that rule from Andy gave me points. Andy gave me points for not hitting. Hey, it is what it is. All there.
I knew that was high.
Right down to 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Cook off half a minute.
Every point, if you hit a 5 or you lose 1 point. Okay. So the next you lose 10 points. Alright. Ready? Stand by.
Very nice.
2 minutes.
Take shot.
D-ball. 5. That's an hit.
Wow. That wind died.
Yeah, the wind
a lot.
died.
I knew that. And I didn't compensate enough.
Just took the risk, eh?
No, I just wasn't paying attention to what I was doing.
Oh.
D-ball.
Great shot.
D-ball. Yeah, that's a D-ball. 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 You can always make tank back. D-ball. Calvin's gonna go to a competition with a big old tank trap.
Nice shoot.
Thank you.
Nice. The wind's still dead.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I think because he was on that back post, he was up higher.
This rear still got 2 minutes on.
All right, I'll try it. Well, that might work. Can't argue with the freaking target.
Oh, come on. I don't know what happened there.
Oh no.
It's just hilarious.
Yeah, the wind.
There's,
It's boiling now.
yeah, I don't know what that was.
Must be lower than it was. It's picking up some. Flag at 400 is picking up too.
Nice shot.
Thank you, thank you. Flag at 4 is down a bit, 3 is picking up. Mirage is up a bit.
Chris, can you convert mine?
Convert one of yours?
Yeah, like my second sighter was a 5. Can
Yeah,
you
I
convert
can,
all
yeah.
those?
Yeah, I'll do it after.
Okay.
Or I'll do it right now, yeah.
Okay.
When they're picking up 300 and 400 and downrange. And I went to left 7, left B, so it makes a bit of sense.
Just took a bunch of wind off and now I'm questioning it.
Where do you shot yet? Oh yeah, it's picking up a bit. So maybe you should go back to
Put half it back on.
half of that, yeah, back on. See if you can get at the left 5.
Oh,
Should I need more? Oh,
wow.
yeah, it picked back up.
Big time.
They're all up, all 3 of them, and downrange.
Whoa, that was a weird one.
Yeah, so 3 and 4, half down. And I got 2 and I put half a minute on, quarter minute. I should take it off. Actually, I'm lost now, so I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, I put quarter on. I was gonna take that off, but I wasn't sure how. There.
Did you say you were holding to the left?
Wasn't sure if I went the right direction the first go. That's why I didn't make a change.
I didn't mean to fire that one.
Yeah,
Somebody just fired?
What?
Yours
Okay,
went
it's my
almost
go.
same as he did.
I didn't even mean to fire it, but it shouldn't have been off that much.
Oh,
That's why it was low, but it,
crap, eh?
oh well. Why we're practicing.
Wow, why is that change of point of impact like that?
So, flags are down, but there's a little mirage.
It's better than the fucking windowsill or whatever the...
Flags are back up.
Yeah, you can load it, stabilize it.
Ooh, wind, switch directions.
Yes, it did. Yeah.
tailwind, but it's going the other way down there, 100 yards.
Jesus, I have no idea where I'm at right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fire one more.
Do you have one more?
No, I'm out. But I
Oh,
got
you're
it.
out. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no, go ahead. Yeah, I'll go. Just. Do you want to go,
Yeah.
Chris?
I'll go, and then you go after because
Yeah.
it's on my score thing.
It's always when I'm around there that it goes back and forth. Fast enough today, clear. No, not
Nice.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
You're gonna. I want to see it.
That got tricky.
Yeah. So where are you thinking about going now? Oh, you're still. Oh, you're done?
We're done yet.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, Tyler. We're all done.
That's a good score, Chris. Very good.
So that went pretty well for me. I shot a 50 and 7. So yeah, that's good. I hope this video is good with my new wind flag camera, whatever it's called. Let me know if you like it. I'll edit it and I'll see where I can put it. I hope there's a spot for it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Show your pals.